Alrighty, today is the 3rd of May, and I just wanted you to see the Appalachian Trail. It's just rocks. I think I'm about to get completely soaked. This is literally the trail. It's like insane. So much like brambles in my way. Alrighty, so May 3rd. Still, this is my snack. Chunk tuna with crackers. It's delicious. You caught me vlogging. This was on the 4th, and I heard there was rumors of trail magic. It was all true, and then I actually decided to go into town and get new shoes this day.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I've lost 40.
Yeah, he looked like a whole nother
crazy.
person, like a whole different person.
That was like part of my motivation. I was like, maybe if I do it.
All right, June 4th, gonna get some new shoes. Very pumped about this. Everything worked out well today. My feet have been hurting me for like the last 3 days. Definitely need new shoes, so they have what I need, even though you can't get them online anymore. So Brooks Cascadia, here I come. Ditch the Crocs, baby. Right, we got new shoes. Beast got new shoes. I got new shoes. Gushers didn't get anything, but now except for spaghetti. Yes, we got Italian, and now we're gonna get some coffee. I'm so excited. Me too. Can't wait.
Yo necesito más café, por favor.
Gushers is carrying in his pack through the entire Appalachian Trail cast iron moon pie maker. How much does that weigh?
I believe it weighs 2 pounds. Do you believe it weighs
I feel like
2
it
pounds?
weighs more than 2 pounds.
Everyone else has said that it weighs more than
It feels like it weighs 5 pounds.
It's probably close.
Today is Saturday, June the 5th at 12:30. We're gonna get some food, then we're gonna hit the trail. Someone's gonna pick us up at 2 o'clock, and we're gonna get back out there with our new kicks and our bright smiles.
Feeling so good. Fresh and clean.
Fresh and clean. Oh yeah, and I shaved my legs. And can you hold
Ruby's
this for a
flying
second?
down the trail. Flying.
Armpit.
Whoa! How long had it been?
A very long time. Actually, maybe only 4 weeks.
I think it'd been like 2 weeks for me.
Okay.
Felt like very long.
Gotcha. But yeah, I'm excited to get back on the trail because at this point, it's almost been like a whole zero and then a Nero.
Yeah. Oh,
like
cringy.
Because we're kind of at the mercy of the people who brought us to town, which is totally cool because they're taking us back. But it's 2 o'clock and I was like,
yeah, it's like, oh no, we gotta get back. But we're gonna eat first. We're gonna find some good food. Hopefully it doesn't upset our stomach.
get some water.
Yeah, we need some water.
All right, 3:30, March 25th. I'm gonna try to crush some miles today. I was up really late editing videos, like 3 o'clock. Then I woke up at 7 o'clock to continue editing videos, and I'm exhausted. It's like 90 degrees today, and I decided to send my shorts home today. So yeah, I'm in black leggings.
These little babies on sale, so I thought I'd snatch them up for something different to go with whatever else I've got.
Here we got Trail Magic, and he lugged this up the mountain.
Uh-oh.
What's your name?
There you go.
Bloodhound. Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, 2 of them.
All right, aspects of the trail that aren't necessarily the most pleasant. Sometimes you get bad vibes and you just have to leave the spot you're in. And you might not have many grounds for feeling the way you do. But, I mean, so I'm night hiking and like 12 miles. But yeah, it's not the most pleasant thing. So yeah. Not all fun and games always. Got pee. It's gorgeous out here though. One thing about night hiking and like early morning hiking is you see different views than you would in the middle of the day. So that's nice.
How's your day going?
It's 2:30, June the 6th. It's a very warm day, very humid day. Just got some lovely trail magic, ate a cheeseburger, drank some Coca or some Sprite. It was amazing. And there hasn't been much water recently, but I found a stream that's big enough to sit in. And yeah, I needed this. I needed this. All right, 6:30. Looks like today will be the first day that I camp all by myself. All right, beer bag hung, and now it's time to go to bed. Yes, it's 7 o'clock. I'm exhausted. I did it. I successfully camped by myself in the middle of the woods. And I didn't freak myself out. Got a huge day today, gonna try to crush 20 miles. Got 2 really major climbs, Dragon's Tooth and Mcafee Knob. And I hear that the slope down Dragon's Tooth is harsh. Got my trekking poles, so yeah, but I have motivation. I have 2 cups of coffee in my system. 2 cups of coffee! So yeah, I'm actually probably gonna start running down this mountain. Gotta get a good day going, hopefully catch up with my family so that I can be up there on Mcafee Knob with them. I want to be there with the people I've been traveling with for a while and not by myself, because that's like a major point on the AT. So yeah, I'm gonna crush it. Oh, I should have camped here. You know that moment when you set up camp and then you walk a little further the next day and there's way better spots? You guys, I just killed that climb and it was exhilarating. This is the Dragon's Tooth. It's not the top, but I know that there's going to be like a bunch of people at the top right now. So I'm going to enjoy the view by myself for a little bit. You can see here it is so steep that they have these little metal bars. There's a snake here. It went away now. Oh! Sorry, snake. Okay. Alright, it is 8:15 on June 7th. And we're headed to a Headed to a hotel because of an aggressive person that we are not comfortable with. And here's Crunchy. Hey y'all. And that's all that's up right now. So we're about to eat food, and the person who picked us up, this is Crunchy, she like told us we could have the van. What do you guys think about that?
We acquired a van. Trail Angel.
So now we can use the van and go see Mcafee Knob at sunrise, and hopefully no one else will be up there.
Trail magic.
Trail magic. This is a video of us getting in our dope minivan.
We're in the van. We got a van. This is our van now. This is the APC mobile.
Hey, can we get some music on over here?
Yeah, people in the front use
Something loud.
Oh, I get a nice seat. All right, current situation. It is
3:33 in the morning.
Yeah.
And it's hot. Is this how you make them?
We're going slack packing, and we're gonna make it to Mcafee's Knob, and I'm gonna get a picture on the mountain without my bag. And we're gonna do 20 miles, and I'm exhausted from yesterday, and it's a hard knock life. Good morning. Woo! All right. Mcafee Knob or Mcafee, I don't know how you say it. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at all the people. To everyone who thinks I'm hiking the Appalachian Trail alone. Alright, I am having so much fun on these rocks. You got no idea. Look, here's the other side of Mcafee's Knob. This is insanity, man. Yo. It's way more beautiful than my camera shows. Oh, my camera's so jerky. Dang. Oh, you can still see the city lights. Excuse my hard breathing. My camera does absolutely no justice. Good morning. Just here on Mcafee Knob. There's the city. There's the sunrise. Everyone else is over there.
The climb down was dramatically steeper than the climb up.
The climb up wasn't very steep.
Let's see if I can do this while filming.